What's up, TNS family? Welcome to Samoa. Ciao! Okay, family, it is 12:39, 30th of December, and it is KRISTINE.TANUVASA, aka Black Cat, his 21st birthday. So we went and got him, all the shops are closed here. So we quickly just went and got him a little ice cream, which is like a drumstick from Tip Top. It's a New Zealander ice cream brand. And we have Crispy on the camera, she's gonna come with us as well. And we bought him gifts. We're really celebrating his birthday tomorrow, which is like a family dinner with all of us, all of his loved ones, these siblings. And we bought him gifts, but really the gifts are for Lanston back at home. But we thought we'd just wrap it up and just let him think it's a real gift for him. So we're gonna go over to Rhea and Jay's bedroom, but just down the road next to the pool. So let's go. Okay, family, so we're trying to surprise my brother.
We saw a black thing in the car.
We saw this black shadow in the car.
No light, nothing.
And it was Jason. It's alright. We're just gonna, we told him to go inside the house so we can just sing him happy birthday in the house. So.
Oh wait, show me, Toddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jason. Happy birthday to you. Make-a-wish. What the hell? You don't know Happy birthday!
Oh.
I hate swap.
21.
Oh, it's with the biggest.
Wait, put on the light, you can't even see.
What's that, okay? Don't open it. Don't open your eyes. This gift is really special, okay? Can I put your hands?
Jeez.
He got a card for his 21st birthday.
We go big.
What you've always wanted, bro.
What you've always wanted, go. You want to go to jail? You want to go where my
The strap, the strap.
This guy's so grateful. He wants to show off with his presents. Look at his badge on his neck. And it's on the badge it says VS. Alright then, so we're just here at the laundromat. We had to come and drop off our load. Our hotel room doesn't have a washing machine or a dryer, so we just came to drop off our load at what's it called? At laundromat and dry cleaning. That's what they call it. Opposite for Makiki Funga Lee and Farmer Joe. So yeah, we're just driving around. It's a Monday today. Happy birthday. This vlog is specially dedicated to my brother and my sister Chris. It is their birthday. Chris turns 19 today and Jason turns 21. So we're going to look for my brother's 21st key. We're gonna cross our fingers that we actually find a really nice one for him, and then we have to go and look for somewhere where we can have like a really nice dinner for him. So Chris, you don't really matter today, he says. I'm just so glad he's reached a milestone. He hasn't gone to jail, guys. He hasn't gone to jail. He hasn't
Had any kids?
he hasn't added any kids to his life either. You know, he's doing really good. He's doing really good. But you never know. You never know. We're here at the Makiki Lava Lava in Savalalo. We're gonna go and check that place out. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to pause this video right now. If you aren't subscribed to our channel, make sure you subscribe down below and comment hashtag happy birthday Jason, or happy birthday Black Cat, or happy birthday Bubba, or happy birthday Christine. So Riri was going to park into this spot here, but this guy just sold the park, so we're just gonna, why can't you wait, Moldy taxi man? Yep, come.
No, wait. Wait.
What's wrong with this guy? He can't even wait. Okay, yeah, come. come. Now I'm going to become a police officer. Bye! We saw a TNS fan. Look at my dad. How cute does he look in his green shirt? So just check out my dad's swag. Dad, show us your shoes. Okay, so we found a key that we really like, but the price is not what we like. So I want to go and see if I can actually get it down. The original price that he's giving, he's saying it's $350. We're going to see if we can get it a bit cheaper. So let's go. One there, and this is the one that we like the most. But they've got another key. Oh no. Or this one here.
Samoa, got him! Welcome to Samoa!
I don't know if you can hear us because the fan is right there. That's the fan.
Baby Judy.
But we're here at sunrise. We're going to have lunch before our dinner tonight. Everyone's hungry, especially my mom and dad. Dad, are you hungry? He's hungry. So we actually have to tell you guys something. So on Friday last week was the wedding. We were so tired, we couldn't be bothered cooking. Tuxx had already told me in Australia before we got here that he wanted to eat a non-plant-based meal. So we ended up going to the Burger Bill, and we both ended up eating Burger Bill. If you follow us on Instagram, you would know that we ate Burger Bill. But for those of you that don't follow us on Instagram, yeah, so we ate Burger Bill, and this whole weekend actually we've just been eating really, really bad. We've been eating really, really bad and not eating plant-based.
So yeah, family, I think for the remainder of the trip I will be staying on plant-based, so I'll head up when I get back home. But I don't know, because jumping back onto meat, like, you know, animal proteins, you feel a lot more fuller.
But you do,
groggy.
you feel groggy. I've been feeling so tired all the time since eating meat again. But I do miss, I did miss the meat actually. I thought I didn't miss it, but as soon as I ate it on Saturday, well I ate burger bill, but I wasn't really satisfied. I didn't really like the meal. But on Saturday when we had kikipua, I'll insert the clip here. Which I might do it. Oh, that slurp. Good, give us another bite, honey. Wow. Thank you. Yeah. Wow, so the inside looks really good.
It actually is, man. You guys were so right. It's got a bit of a spice to it too, eh?
Yeah, it does. So yeah, as you can see, I ended up having a kikipua with Tuxx, and it was so good. But yesterday's meal, we had Macca's. I love Samoa McDonald's. It was really, really, really good.
For me it was yuck. The McChicken was good, but then when I had a double quarter pounder, I don't know, I just felt like yuckers. And then I had a sore tummy.
So I don't think we're actually going to stay on plant-based while we're in Samoa. I feel like it's so much harder for us over here. Some days we will be eating plant-based and other days we're going to just eat and enjoy the leisure food of Samoa. So we could enjoy it with our family because we just want to go have dinner with our family and not be that annoying one like, so we can't eat here. Or, oh no, we don't want to eat your salad. So yeah.
Who cares about it?
But how come Paul's plate looks different? Oh, no salad.
Because they're sour. So family, right now we are trying to get things ready for Jason's little 21st celebration. We're having it here at, I think, Kim's restaurant or something, but it's next to the new DMC and it's like on the right side. Anyways, I'm vlogging here because it's sort of raining outside and I don't want to get the camera wet, so I'm going to quickly dash inside and I'll turn the camera back on and see what we got made up for the bro. This was a rush around, last minute, put together kind of thing for Jace. Bang! Little cupcakes, you know, whatever flavor, chocolate cake, you know, what he likes, you know, what counts. Yes.
Boy, this looks like caramel.
Alright, it looks like I'm gonna eat all of that.
Tausiaina Oh, sa uleta uina oe O se fafine no fotane Awa ola ukele oe la uma ataimane Yeah, I say yeah Whatever abea mai ai Oh, no, wai ngalefa aponga
A little bit of entertainment from the brother Jay. Woo! Yeah! There he is. Careful.
So, can I make one thing quick? Trap rap, how would you hit? Would be able to take our swing 50.
Let's go! What's up, fam?
I'm your magical mystery ride, and I'm so dizzy, don't know why. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. And we are either you're contemplating, we just friends. What are you saying? Is it another look right in my eyes? My girl's now my heart for the first time, and now.
To this family, this song's dedicated out to my boy Jason. We're turning the big 2-1 today, so Jason, this is for you.
My for you, going to turn you.
Okay family, so you've finally reached the end of this vlog. Loki's in bed.
I'm so tired. It's been a long day. But we just wanted to wish Baba another happy birthday. We love you so much, but we've been pushing aside our poor sister. We wanted to give a massive shout out to Chris for being such a team player.
Indeed.
Sis, we love you so much. Thank you for all you do for especially mom and dad, but especially mom. You're her sleeping buddy, her fail buddy, her everything buddy.
Yeah family, I'm just looking in this top left corner because it's flashing red.
Like,
and we hope you guys have enjoyed our day today, celebrating our brother and sister's birthday, and everything that we've done today.
The camera actually dies, so now we're on Tux's phone.
If you enjoyed watching this vlog today, let us know by giving us a thumbs up. And
thumbs up, and if you really didn't like it, it's alright, give us a thumbs down, because your secret viewers out there giving us thumbs down anyways.
But yeah, and also if you haven't subscribed already, you know what to do. Just go down and give that a little click, notification bell if you want.
Yes,
if you want.
It's all up to you. We don't force you, but if you want to join this TNS family and be notified, turn on that notification bell. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. Alright, so you know the drill. At the end of every vlog, we are going to be giving out a ngu'u shout out. So shout out to Vasa Viliamu, who commented the ngu'u shout out for this vlog, which is going to Luffy. So if you are from Luffy, comment down in that comment section, hashtag Luffy.
Let them know if you might find your cousin on there,
you might find your uncle and auntie,
and have a reunion next year, you know. So yeah,
so if you want your ngu'u to be shouted out on the next vlog, you need to go right down onto that comment section and write your village, so we know who we can give the next shout out to. And yeah, TNS family, we love you so much. Tofa,
so fuwa.
Mwah. Choo.